the previous tutorial, we updated MyViewController with properties and an action method, change greeting. Now we'll connect these in Interface Builder. Interface Builder has to know about the properties we added, so we have to build the project. So go to the Build menu, select Build. In the lower left it should say Build Succeeded. Now open Interface Builder by double-clicking the nib file MyViewController. You may need to go to Window and then select MyViewController for this window to show up. Control-click Files Owner. You can see the outlets from the properties that we added. To connect the label, drag from the circle to the label, and now they're connected. Next we'll connect the text box in a similar manner. Click on the text field circle and connect it to the text field in the view. Now we need to connect the change greeting method we used to the Hello World button. To do that, control click the button. It's the view. Control click the button and select touch up inside. Connect that to the file owner and change greeting appears, and select that. Now you can see that the touch up inside event is connected to the file owner's change greeting method. Now that we've connected the items in Interface Builder, we have a few more items to do to implement the view controller. First, we need to tell the compiler to synthesize the accessor methods. Open the MyViewController implementation file, and after the implementation section, add the following. Synthesize text field, label, and string. Now we need to release these variables in the MyViewController implementation file. Go down to dealloc, and before the super dealloc, type the following. Text field, release, label, release, string release. Now we need to release these variables in the MyViewController implementation file. Go down to dealloc, and before the super dealloc, type the following. Text field, release, label, release, string release. Now we'll add some code that will remove the keyboard pop-up that gets displayed when the user enters text in the text box. Because this implements the protocol for text field delegate, there is a method we can use called text field should return. Returns a bool, text field should return. We update the text field with Resign First Responder, which has a side effect of removing that keyboard. Just return yes. To run the application, you need to select Build and Run, but before you do that, there are a couple errors that I made. This should say the field or the text field in my View Controller implementation file, and this should say text field. I had test field. Also in Interface Builder, make sure you save this. And there's one more item I missed. You need to control-click the text field, and the delegates drag the delegate object over to File Owner to connect them. Now if you build and run, the application launches and you can enter in some text here. I'll enter my name, select hello. The hello my name is displayed, and you press done and the keyboard is removed.